Hey guys, welcome back. So I just joined the Spellbinders card kit. So this is the kit for the month of October. And so far, it looks pretty good. So it comes with 10 cards, 10 envelopes, 7 sheets of cardstock, a set of 16 dies, a 6x6 paper pad, a pack of die cuts, epoxy stickers, foil stickers, clear stamps, sequins, pom-poms, tags, foam dots, and tape. So let's see what's in here. So you get this really pretty trim. So let's get this pom-pom trim. And I was going to make a card, but you know what? I'll make a card and I'll post a picture on Instagram. Anyway, I'm not going to untangle this thing, but this is what it is. It's like little pom-poms. Okay, so you get that. Then I guess these are your stickers. And I think this kit was $30 or $35 a month. It's one or the other. But if you like making cards, I think this might be a good kit for you. It looks like it comes with a lot of stuff. So you get this pack of stamps. Super cute. And then we get some tags. I just love getting kits. It's like you get like goodies every month. So you get these little ones. And then you get these cards. So cute. And they feel nice. They don't feel cheapy. And then you get a pack of 6x6 cards. Let's just do a little quick flip through. This is cute. So like I said, I'm going to try to make a card. And then I'll post a card on Instagram. Very cute. Okay, so you get that. I guess then you get more of these little cutouts. So you get that. And I guess it looks, yeah, you get two of everything. So you get just that, just to give you an idea. You get a lot actually. This should be fun to make. Yeah, you get a lot of pieces. And everything is double. So you get some words. Just gonna try to show you just really quick. A lot of, wow. Yeah, you get a lot. Okay. Hopefully I was in frame, but you get the picture. You get a lot of stuff. Okay. And then you get these epoxy stickers. Okay. You get your glue dots, your tape, you get string, you have some, what are these things called? You know what they are, sequins. Oh, wow, okay, so, yeah, these are the dies that you get. It's like a little house. Let's just take this out right here. How cute. And I guess your little windows. And what does this says? Celebrate. So you do get a lot of dies. You have a little fence. Okay. And then you get your envelopes and your cards. And again, it feels nice. It does not feel cheapy. And then let me just slide that over. So you get cardstock. Yeah, this feels very nice and thick. Okay, so you get all of these. Look at that. And then you get this shiny one. All right, not bad. I actually, again, this is my first kit. We'll definitely try to recreate one of these cards. And we'll see what we get for the month of October. I mean, for the month of November, because this is the October kit. But so far, I like it. And you get a lot of good stuff. So I hope you guys like it. Bye.